My brother, have you been saving money for a long time now? So, my brother, you have to know that saving money is a mistake. Why? In this video, I am going to tell you why saving money is a mistake and how saving money will keep you poor. So my brother, I am telling you to watch this video till the end. This is going to be a little long video, but you have to watch it because this is related to financial situations. We have to know why saving money is a mistake in 2021 or maybe in future as well, because saving money is the old way. Nowadays you have to do something else, like money is a girlfriend. Money is your girlfriend. If you are not making your girlfriend happy, your girlfriend will leave you. In the same way, you have to make your money happy. Otherwise, the money will leave you. How to make your money happy? Stashing your money inside a locker is not going to make it happy. The money is really sad being stashed inside the locker. With that said, my brother, this is Mr. K and you are watching the best channel in your life, which will make you a high value man for sure. The one thing that most of the people don't know is inflation. You can see the meaning of inflation somewhere on the screen, but I'll tell you what inflation is. Inflation is the increase in the cost of things. Things like food, petrol, bike, car, everything. Literally, the cost of living will be increased every year, little by little, with a little rate. It is called as inflation rate. So, the inflation rate is increasing every year. Let's say you have 1 lakh stashed inside a locker this year. After 1 year, the money will not be able to buy the thing which is 1 lakh this year. But the next year, that will be 1,20,000, that will be 1,30,000. That means the 1 lakh you stashed inside the locker is not able to buy the things. You are literally burning your money, stashing it inside a locker. The money is losing its power to buy the things. So my brother, your girlfriend is not happy. So what will your girlfriend do? Your girlfriend will leave you. Same just like that. Your money will leave you if you keep the money stashed inside the locker and you are not putting your money to make more money. Yes, my brother, this is the only way to save your money from being burned, from losing its power to buy the things. So my brother, I am going to tell you how to grow your money. We have to grow our money without losing it. Let's say you have saved your money inside a bank. Bank is going to give you the interest every year, but my brother, the interest is not going to cover up the inflation rate. You can see that from the Google. I have attached the screenshot here somewhere on the screen. So, how to grow our money and how to make our money happy, I will tell you. But before that, if you have been watching this video till now, I want you guys to like this video and share this video, because we men have to be so careful with our money, and I want our boys to know about this and make money happy. With that said, I assume you liked the video. Now I am going to tell you two most important and reliable ways that I believe will work for sure to grow your money. That first thing, invest in yourself. Whatever the money you have to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself means you have to increase the knowledge that you have right now. You have to increase your skills. You have to improve your skills. Whatever the money you have stashed inside a locker, take the money, keep the money to do some courses. Learn some new things. Things like you may learn the real estate, or you may learn how to start a business on your own. Maybe you can upskill yourself by taking the courses which are related to the job that you are doing right now. If you are in the college, you can find out what courses or what things are going to get a high paying job. But one thing, we are not going to stop with the job, because job will not make you rich alone. Along with the job, you should have businesses. So don't forget to learn about businesses. Don't forget to learn about passive income. If you don't know what passive income is, just keep subscribed to this channel. I am going to teach you exactly what rich people do to become richer every day. So my brother, with that said, investing in yourself is the first way to become rich. Yes, literally you can become rich. And the second thing is going to be dividend stocks. So my brother, you have to be so careful while investing in dividend stocks, because without learning about stocks, don't invest. It is risky and you may lose all the money that you have. You have to learn about the stock market first of all. I have been learning about the stock market for over 2 years now. So first of all, learn how everything works inside the stock market and invest in dividend stocks, because dividend stocks are the stocks which will give you money every quarter of the year. They will give a portion of their profit. From the profit they made, the companies like Ashok Leyland, IOCL, Indian Oil, these people will make profit and they will give a portion of their profit to you through the dividend stocks. In this way, you have the cash flow every quarter. This is the secret of the rich. They will improve their cash flow. They will have at least 7 ways of income every month. That is the secret of rich. My brother, with that said, this is the only way to grow your money. Don't stash your money inside a locker, because being your girlfriend, if you are not making your girlfriend happy, she will leave you. With that said, I am wrapping up here, and I hope you guys liked this video, and I want you guys to share this video to every man out there. Thank you for watching.